Clearly, treating your big day as a DIY project brings cost efficiency, but it also helps bring together your friends and family while balancing the fun and stress before saying I do. Now, one key ingredient to a DIY wedding is a well thought out checklist. You can uncover all the most important factors you want to help your big day be all that more special. Sites like Pinterest have endless ideas to help shape the way to tackle these projects step by step. Things like personalized signs, a photo collage, or even a program for the festivities are not only informative, but they give people a sense of just who is throwing this big bash. How about a scavenger hunt? Arm each guest table with a disposable camera. Yes, in this day and age, you'd be surprised how some old school technology can get people involved. And lastly, great way to say thank you to all of your guests, and especially those who help bring your big day to life, is by making gift bags with some simple necessities. You can be really clever with this outlet by incorporating small and frugal items like mints, maybe with a funny note like mint to be. It's simple, but clever enough to keep a smile on everyone's face along with a breath of fresh air. Happy wedding!